guys, I have our math work for today. We are still doing some of those subtraction problems where the ones that you're taking away are bigger than the ones that you're starting with, so we have to kind of regroup things a little bit. So I'm going to be sharing 3 strategies, kind of like I did yesterday, of ways that we could solve this problem. So find one of these strategies that really works for you and practice that on these problems. Jake had 52 pennies. He spent 24 pennies on a new pencil. How many pennies does he have left? So as always, I'm going to start with my equation. He had 52, he took away, or he spent 24. So we're gonna see what he has left. I think on this first one, I'm gonna use tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Gotta have my labels. Y'all know how I feel about those labels. And 2. So we need to take away 24. Well, I can take away 20, no problem. 10, 20. And I can take away 2, 1, 2, but I can't take away the other 2 that I need. So I'm going to turn this 10, I'm going to squiggle it out, not X it out, and I'm going to turn it into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've taken away 10, 20, 21, 22. I need to take away the 23, 24. So let's see what we have left. I'm left with 20 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to put that together. 20 plus 8 equals 28. So he has 28 pennies left. So that's the way you can do that with tens and ones. Now, I'm not going to do this problem down here. You don't have to move things around. So I'm just going to let you solve that problem with whatever strategy works for you. But I am going to go on to page 525 because we have some of these other problems like I was just talking about. Kira and Sally were playing cover-up with 52 counters. Kira hid some of the counters. She left 29 showing. How many counters did Kira hide? So we have, they start with 52 counters. And Kira hides some. We don't know how many she hides. We're going to put our blank there this time. And she left 29 showing. Now, yesterday I took away from the starting number until I got to the end number. So you can go back and watch yesterday's video if you want to see that strategy again. I'm going to do it just a little bit differently today just to change it up. I'm going to use my end number and add on to it until I get back to the original 52 that they started with. So we're going to pretend like we're giving back what Kira hid. So 29 plus 1 is what I'm going to start with because I like numbers that end in 0. So now we're at 30. We're trying to get to 52. So 30 plus 20 equals 50. Oh, we're so close already. 50 plus 2 equals 52. So I'm going to take these that I added on. 20 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 20 plus 3 is 23. Kira hid 23 of the counters and left 29 there. Now the last one that we're doing today, Franco had 55 marbles. He gave his brother 27 marbles. How many marbles does Franco have now? So he started with 55. He gave his brother 27, so he doesn't have those 27 anymore. And we're going to figure out what he is left with in the end. I'm going to use a number line on this one. I've not used that strategy yet. 55. And we're taking away 27. So I'm going to take away 10 and 10 first. Minus 10. Minus 10. 55. 1 take away a 10 is 45. 45 take away a 10 is 35. Now, I need to take away the 7. I'm going to take away the 7 as a 5 and a 2. I did this yesterday as well because there's a 5 in the ones place here at the 35. And I want a number that ends in 0. So 35 take away 5 is just 30, so I've done the 5. Now I need the 2, so that I'll have taken away a total of 7 ones. Minus 1, minus 2. 29, 28. So Franco was left with 28 marbles.